Let's go, lose control. Slip aside on the dance floor. Let's go, lose control. 3, 2, 1, drop it.
Let me help you up. Here, follow me. Follow me. Follow me, man. Follow me. Yeah, keep coming. Yeah. Uh-huh.
No, dude.
I'll finish him. He's at Little House on the Prairie down here, bro.
I'm Eloning in with you, dude. Eloning in. Oh!
Oh my god! That was
I caught it! I caught it!
What? 7 health? What? Oh my god! This game is trash! This game is trash!
I don't know, we'll see.
Oh, yo, dude. I totally forgot about the vending machine idea that I gave to the devs. And it's that big, there's no way. Do you think
So you'll trade materials in, and you'll get. It says gear, but is that just like
no
random?
Yeah,
weapon?
it's probably everything, random everything. So I mean,
Okay.
I came up with that idea. I was like, you smack a vending machine, something should pop out. Do you think they actually
well, I remember what you suggested was like giving like a single mini, or like you have a chance for like a slurp or a big shield just to pop out like one thing.
Yeah.
But they're like, nah, let's turn into materials, or you turn in materials.
I mean, they took the idea and they definitely
took the idea, and...
but it's my idea. Let's go.
Vending machine is one of them. I'm not doing one of those videos right now, but I think vending machine is probably the best thing that has ever been implemented in this game ever. Simply said, simply put, man.
Woo! Let's go!
He's still in the garage. He's at the door. The door to the garage.
Jump.
Nope. Garage. Right below. Yep, there he is.
Special delivery. So good.
Johnny, no kill.
Oh!
Oh!
Alright, so we have 125. There's a guy crossing right. There's 2 people right here. Got a headshot on her. Headshot on her. Headshot on him. And that just comes with practice. Over time, you start getting better with your flicks and stuff. Where'd you shoot from?
By this bridge. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh.
One of the best players ever. I'm going for the habit.
Oh no! I did it! Let's go!
What'd you do?
Hæ? Hvorfor i helvete? Hvorfor ligger øksa mi på bakken da?
Mind a trap.
I tried shooting a rocket while on my...
Onto a trap. Onto a fucking trap, dude. Alright, he's coming down. Onto a trap right now. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, come on down. Into a trap, yes! Like, yes, dude! Yes, wait! You're on my trap, man! Do it! I killed them both with traps!
Oh my. Yeah. Wait, whoa. What was that animation glitch stream? Someone clip that.
Is it fine by you if I bust a nut while watching a stream? Of course, dude. Listen, man. It's all good.
Rip. Dude, he's surrounded by traps. He's surrounded by traps. There we go. Oh my god. Yo, we had so many kills. We had 30 kills.
Ich fliege oben rein.
Okay, nee, ist nicht offen.
Mach irgendwas auf, Kevin.
Ja, mach ich. An der Seite hier, an der Seite.
Ja, nice.
Oh, das war sexy, Bro. Good job. No.
О, подожди, давай заново.
Ой, я полетел! Парни, хелп, я тут разъебываю.
Гонек запускаю.
А где?
Can you put up a wall above you and then like... He's gonna break the wall. Why is he still alive?
Oh, there's one
What
more.
is this? Start healing.
Come on. I can't heal fast enough.
Somebody clip that. Somebody clip this. That might be the greatest game of...
Another misfire. That is a-okay. Don't worry. Takes time. Okay. Ah! No! I'm dead. That was really dumb. I shouldn't have placed walls there. On potato.
I can't move!
Look, you're building a... You get away from that tree. Oh boy.
You won't clutch up. Do it. He's a mobile player. You got him. That's a bot.
No, I pulled down my scar!
5
PS5.
Oh no. He knows.
Does he know?
Look behind you. You don't have to look behind you.
Oh no!
Don't move. Lily, don't move. Do not move. Lily, do not move. It's not activating. Oh, Lily!
Top 2.
Ёбаный, блядь, насрал. Ну, блядь, ну это такой ёбан... Ладно.
Да, ну там вот абсолютно всегда.
Ну да.
А в тело, на самом деле, там пассива просто.
Это по нам был прям.
Справа.
150? 180.
Где-то да, 150.
Или может быть на Йо, ну короче, где-то...
Бегут.
Nice EDM.
Дал в рот двум. Все, закончились.
Allez là où j'ai mis le point, et après on sort.
Vérifie vos points, vérifie vos points.
Regardez, regardez le point, et là on va là-dedans, et après on va avec la zone. Quoi? Ouais.
Mais attends, mais quoi?
Ah oui, t'es.
Je suis pas dans la zone! Mais j'étais pas dans la zone depuis tout à l'heure!
Pas grave, je passe. Viens.
Pas dans la zone. Je suis là.
T'es dans la zone, t'es dans la zone!
Ah merde, c'était ça là tout.
Aïe aïe aïe.
Y...
4000 dólares.
Me vuelve loco.
Nie gram tu do hru.